Hello, friends! Welcome back to my English story channel. I'm Emily, and I'm so happy to see you here again. Thank you for watching. I hope you are smiling and feeling good today. So sit back, relax, and enjoy my new story. Today, I want to tell you about something very special in my life, something I love so much. Can you guess what it is? It's my favorite food, pizza. Yes, pizza. But wait, there's more. I will also tell you how I learn English when I eat pizza at my favorite cafe. So this is a story about pizza, learning, fun, and life. I love food. I really do. I like burgers, pasta, rice, and even sweets. But nothing makes me as happy as pizza. When I see pizza, my eyes shine. My heart says, yes, I feel like dancing. Pizza is round and colourful. It smells so nice. When the cheese melts and stretches, it looks like magic. The soft bread, the red tomato sauce, the golden cheese. Ah, it's perfect. My favourite pizza has tomato, mushrooms, onions, and black olives. Sometimes I like pineapple too. I know many people don't like pineapple on pizza, but I do. It tastes sweet and fresh. Do you know when I ate pizza for the first time? I was 6 years old. It was raining that day. I was sad because I could not go outside. My mum smiled and said, "Let's make something fun." Then she brought a round thing from the oven. It smelled amazing. I asked, "What is that?" She said, "Pizza." I took one bite. I closed my eyes. I said, this is the best thing in the world." That was the day I fell in love with pizza. Since then, pizza is not just food. It is a feeling, a memory, a happy time. Now let me tell you about my favourite place, Bella's Café. It is a small, peaceful cafe near my house. It has red chairs, soft music, and a big window. I love sitting there and watching the world. Every Saturday, I go to Bella's Café. I take my English notebook with me. I order my favourite pizza and a glass of orange juice. I sit near the window. I smile. That's my happy place. The waiter knows me. He always says, "Hello, Emily. Your regular order?" And I say, "Yes, please, cheese and veggie pizza with orange juice." While I wait, I open my notebook and read English words. I also listen to people around me. I try to learn real English. Sometimes I talk to the waiter too. He helps me learn English. Let me teach you some easy phrases I use at the cafe. When I go inside, I say, "Hi, one table for me, please." When I want to order, I say, "Can I have one cheese pizza?" "I would like orange juice, please." When I finish eating, I say, "The pizza was very delicious." "Can I have the bill, please?" "Thank you. Have a nice day." These phrases are easy and helpful. I practice them again and again. Even if I make mistakes, I keep trying. And you know what? The waiter always smiles and helps me. That makes me feel brave. One day, something special happened. I went to Bella's Cafe like always, but the cafe was full. No seat was free. I felt sad. Then a girl at the window table said, "You can sit with me if you like." I said, "Thank you," and sat down. Her name was Lena. She was from Canada. She was learning Spanish, and I was learning English. We talked, laughed, and became friends. I asked her, "Do you like pizza?" She said, "Yes, I love it." We shared stories. We shared pizza. That day, I learned new English words, and I made a new friend. So pizza gave me not just food, but also friendship and learning. Sometimes I also make pizza at home with my mum. We play music and cook together. I help her cut the vegetables. She says, "You are my kitchen star." While cooking, I teach her English words. I say, "This is cheese." "Put the sauce." "Bake it." We laugh, we learn, we eat together. These moments are simple, but they mean a lot to me. So, my dear friends, pizza is more than food for me. It is my favourite treat. It is part of my best memories. It makes me happy when I'm sad. It makes my good days even better. Pizza helps me learn English. Pizza brings me new friends. Pizza brings me joy. Thank you so much for listening to my story. I hope you liked it. And I hope you also try to learn English in fun ways, like in a cafe while eating or talking to people. Remember, English is not just a subject, it is a part of life. You can learn it anywhere, just like I do. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I am Emily, and I'll see you again soon with another beautiful story. Until then, keep smiling, keep learning, and maybe eat some pizza too. Bye bye, my friends.